everybody, Beth here with Scott and Pax Custom Woodworking. He let us invade his space so that we can learn a little bit more about his passion and everything that he creates for the Indianapolis area. But you weren't always in Indianapolis. Tell us a little bit about your backstory.
Sure. So I'm originally from California, and California is very expensive. And so, you know, Christmas came around right when we got married and wanted to make a few gifts for our family members. Bought a cheap table saw, bought some pallets, pulled them apart, and made a few gifts.
So what brought you from a part-time passion to your full-time gig that you are now?
Well, I had a part-time job that allowed me to do this part-time, but really what kicked everything off was the pandemic. Once the pandemic hit, people are just sitting at home looking at everything that they want to get done.
Yeah.
So I got flooded with orders, which was great. So
yes.
I was flooded with orders from anything from dining tables to built-in bookshelves, bookcases, a few built-in cabinets, and more recently some basement bars.
So speaking of basement bars, a lot of our buyers are looking into new builds because we have such an inventory shortage for our buyers right now. What is a couple of ways you can take a new build construction home and customize it and make it unique to a family?
There's so many spaces for little built-in spots in all these new builds. So you can either do some floating shelves here on the side of your fireplace, or you can even add in a custom bar to your basement.
So there's lots of options, different things you can do, big projects, and I think he's gonna show us a beautiful kitchen island that he built, and he'll tell us a little bit about his process. I am here standing in Scott's very own kitchen where he custom built this beautiful island. Can you tell us a little bit about this piece?
Sure. So we had a very specific idea of what we wanted for our kitchen island. We wanted to be able to use walnut wood, which we got locally sourced, along with black cabinets. And then we also wanted to have its own little features of a pull-out trash can, a drop-in stovetop along with a slide-in oven, actually built-in oven, and then also a microwave to be inside the cabinet itself so you never have to see it. So we had some very specific things that we wanted that we were able to pull off.
Yep, and that's one of the many perks of getting a custom-made piece is that our families could come to you with their dream and their must-have list, and you can build it around what exactly they need. So I appreciate you giving me the time to invade your space, your kitchen, and your home. And now you have someone to contact when you are fixing up your very own home that can custom build any piece and make your home as unique as your family. So if you would like more information about what Scott has to offer and how to contact him, visit his website at paxwoodworking.com. And if you have this beautiful custom piece in your mind but no home to go with it, I'm a realtor and I can help you out. Contact Team Endicott anytime you need. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's fine.
Darn it, if you didn't say I could have kept
Oh, can you bleep it out?
I can.
I'm gonna bleep, that's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, you can bleep me all you want.